Hello again, this is John, and it's another video by Joanna. This is in the village Palamartsa, which most of you must have heard of. It's full of expats, very close to the town Popovo. The property comes with 1,200 square metres of land. The land is actually farmland. When the properties were built, it was built in regulation, and then the lines of the village were changed, and it's now farmland. This doesn't affect the property being on there. The only way it affects a non-European buyer is that you will need a company 5 years old or older. Next, for those that have actually joined my membership, it's a good idea you make contact with me and tell me what I can do for you. There's not much point in joining and not making any contact with me at all. There's a direct email inside the membership area. Look forward to hearing from you. That's it really. Enjoy the video. And last of all, the weather has changed. It's raining very hard. No drone footage, no roof inspection. I apologise for that. Maybe a little bit later on I can add it and release the video, but for now I can't do it.
Can I show you outside now?
Yeah.
You can see here have a barn. And here, if you've been upstairs, you can see there on the wall a hole, which was a window which they bricked it in the past, because this is the main house, and here is annex. And if you pull this down, that bricked window, if you pull it down, you can come into this room here, and you can join all and come more rooms on it. Yeah, you see there where is?
Yeah.
Come and see.
So you could extend it
Yeah,
out.
you see? Here is the block window, which we see from the main house.
He wondered if that was if it used to be a window that was
Yeah.
bricked in.
Yeah. He's correct. Been a window and been bricked. And we can go outside to see. Oh, sorry. Come to see. It's on the edge of the village. And it's lovely. You have a cows not far away, and on the street you have a 1, 2, 3, 4 big cherry trees, and big barns. It's nice next to the fields, no neighbors to bother you, noises only of a nature, and beautiful fields. Hello, we continue viewing a little bungalow in village Palamartsa with about 1,200 square meter land with two nice guys from UK. The house needs work. The garden is tidy, no messy. Over here have a little annex with old bathroom. Can I see it? This is a old boiler which working on a wood. You just need to put a few logs on it and come a lovely, nice hot, like a sauna. We have another annex with a kitchen. Lots of old photographs again. Probably the people who've been built that property from the years. In the past, the Bulgarians, they built their own houses with, they're related with father, brother, uncle. They're using this room for a kitchen. They have a water, have a electric. The floors are from wood, old sink, little mirror. Usually the old grandparents sleep wood, cooking. Yeah, it's wood burner. Yeah, wood burner, and it's very handy because you can cook on it. You can see here. You can open this, and it's like an oven. Yeah, and on the top of the hobs, but they're covered with a newspaper. And here you put the logs, and on the bottom come the ash.
I see.
And it's nice. I hope you don't mind you are part of my
No.
little video. Actually, I don't take your face because not polite. In Bulgaria is not correct. You can't publish nothing nowhere without ask for permission of the people. Have a lovely garden with vineyards. Perfect for good wine or dessert. And we're going down on the main floor of the house. We have enough free steps to get up. Hey, I think someone is on the attic. I think your man is in the attic. Probably look at the space there. And how is the roof? This is a little corridor. Not very little, but and, it's a bedroom with sheets, boards on the ceiling. Wow, see what's old picture. It's a bedroom. You can knock that wall down and you can make a door and you can go in the kitchen where we just been if you wish, of course. And here we have another 2 rooms, again with wood burner. Do not have better of wood so you can heat in yourself on the winter. When the fire is off, you can touch the walls and the walls are still warm. It's big room with a nice high ceiling. And here you have another room with 2 beds, and you can see this hall. Here is old window which they are bricked it, and over there have another room. You just have to take it off. I can't reach there to not so high. You can take this off and you go over there on another room, and you can have a walk through all of them if you wish, rather to go outside. Still good condition the property. You have a very tiny spots of leaking chimneys, but usually they are the first thing what come leak in one house, because around the chimney have a metal sheet which need to be changed with the years. And here you have a hole to the attic to inspect the roof. Yeah. And we continue viewing in a garden. And here under the house you have a guy taking the weeds out. Lots of barns. Here you have a basement under the house. How big is the size of a room, which is nice and cold. On a summer you can keep in your drink cold here, and in winter it's nice and warm, and you can save your potatoes to don't get freezing. It's nice, all from stones. Yeah, here have a basement. You can come and see it if you wish. I'm getting out.
Aaron, do you want to come see the basement? You've been in, have you?
Yes, this is really different type. This is like a 1-story house with few rooms and a basement under on one of the rooms. Have a old bathroom on the side, you will see it. This is apple tree, vineyard. 1, 2, 3, 4 apples I can see. You have a plum, you got cherry and 2 big walnut trees. And on the side of the street you have a pear tree. Yeah, nice flat garden. It's about 1,200 square meters, the garden.
Big garden.
Nice bungalow.
Yeah.
It's about same big like the last one which you see.
Is this all?
Yeah. All this is corner property with very big barns.
Yeah.
Lots of space for animals, and come see what nice view we have here next to the fields. You can see the cows there next to the weeds. Yeah, it's nice. We are in village Palamartsa. Take a viewing with nice two young couple from England. Come visit a house in village Palamartsa. I'll keep in the name secrets because it's not polite. It's a nice bungalow. Every house have our own feeling, own energy,
Yeah.
but it's nice. It's nice to come to see. It's not like on the videos, it's not like on the pictures.